Welcome back friends. In this lecture we are going to learn the function sum and its variation. Sum is a group function. For this let us solve this exercise. In the first we have to calculate the total cost for the given quantity and the unit price. Press equal to. Select the quantity, press the multiplication sign, click on the unit price, and now the unit price is there. No need to calculate the rest of the values. You just select the first value and from the corner drag and copy. Rest of the values will get automatically calculated. Now for the total revenue you have to press equal to and select each and every values one by one and putting a addition sign after each and every value. This is the fourth value. Next, there are I think in all total 10 values that we have to calculate and put in this summation. And we got the answer of 24084.06. The answer is there. Let us solve the second exercise. Now this is a little bit typical where we have to calculate the discount also. We already calculated the total cost. Now we have to calculate the discount. The discount is equal to total cost into 20 divided by 100. In this way discount is calculated. Now we can drag down and calculate the rest of the values. For selling price we have to have equal to total cost minus discount, and now the selling price is there. We have to drag it down till bottom and all the values will be calculated automatically. Now after that we press equal to and then use the function sum, that is a group function. Type down sum and then bracket open equal to. Select all those values for which you want to have a summation, bracket close and enter. We got the value of 19,265. It is little bit less than the previous one because here a discount is involved, the values are less. Now the exercise 3 for summation, we have to have the selling price. No need to calculate this total cost in this time. We can avoid this and we can directly calculate the selling price by pressing equal to quantity into unit price into the discount, that is 0.2. So we will subtract discount by the total value, that is 0.8. If we calculate total as 1 then minus discount is 0.2, then it remains with 0.8. Basic math that we have studied at school level. So 80% is the cost. Now the selling price is there. We can drag to calculate the rest of the values. Now to calculate the summation there is a very good and fast shortcut. Press Alt key on your keyboard and then press equal to key twice, and this will give you the answer in a very short span of time. Thank you.